So first things first, we actually have to go ahead and get the truck cleaned out, get the in the floor with body. Dang it, man, it was going so good too.
Yep.
Actually, hang on a second, let me. So, reach the end of another episode of Coop's House. And actually, we didn't do any body work this time, did we?
Yes.
Did we?
A little bit.
I don't remember. Anyway,
I don't remember. I don't remember.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Coop's House. If you guys watched the episode last week, you guys know that we pretty much got the body work absolutely knocked out, got the truck back in primer, so we are pretty much ready for paint. So last week was a big step toward actually getting this thing completed. So this week is going to be absolutely epic. It's going to be a huge episode. This week, we're actually going to get this thing sanded down, ready for paint, hopefully get it put back on the frame. But first things first, we actually have to get the inside of the truck cleaned out, washed out so that it's good and clean. And then we have to do the same with the bottom because we're going to spray the bottom of the truck and the inside in the floor with bed liner so that it's good and protected and it just looks good, clean, and painted. So we got a lot of work to do, not a whole lot to do it in. We're only going to have a couple of days over the next couple of weeks to get all this done because Christmas is coming. And in Florida, you can see we're still in short sleeves. But anyway, Christmas is coming. But yeah, gonna be an absolutely huge week and lots of things coming, so let's get to work right now. All right, so remember that thing we said about short sleeves? And in Florida, you can see we're still in short sleeves, but it's cold now, so jackets it is. But after a whole lot of time, we finally got this thing cleaned up, pressure washed, and ready to be sprayed with bed liner. Everything is prepped, ready to go. So we went ahead, got everything taped off because obviously we don't want bed liner where our paint's gonna be because we have to sand that stuff and it's a whole lot of work, so we don't wanna do that. So anyway, we are ready for bed liner, so we're gonna go ahead and get our Raptor liner mixed up and spray this stuff for the very first time. Not sure how it works, never done it before, but we're gonna find out. So here we go. Alright guys, so we got this thing finally sprayed on the bottom and the floor inside the truck with the Raptor liner bed liner kit. Super easy. We weren't sure about it, didn't know how it was going to go, but it was super easy, sprayed out very nice. So we're super stoked to be to this point. So we're going to call it a day for today because we need to let this sit and dry. But when we come back in a couple of days, we're going to go ahead and get this thing actually sanded out and ready for paint. And then we're actually going to spray some color on this thing and get it ready to go back on the frame. Super excited. But anyway, yeah, we're going to wait a couple of days and then we'll be back out here and get back to work. See you guys then. Alrighty guys, so we're back in the shop today working on the Squarebody build. So yesterday we spent literally all day long sanding on this thing, getting it ready for paint, and we got it back in the shop. So we're back out here this morning. We're gonna go ahead and get our tarps hung up and get our makeshift booth built, hopefully for the very last time, because we actually have started construction on our permanent booth. So we're really hoping this is the last time we have to go about this. But anyway, the truck is sanded all the way down. Inside is sprayed with the bed liner. The bottom's sprayed with bed liner. So we're actually ready to put some sealer, some base coat, some clear coat on this thing. So super stoked to see how that looks. It is really cold here in Northwest Florida today. So yeah, we're all bundled up and everything. But anyway, it's actually fairly nice inside the shop. So we're thinking once we hang these tarps up, turn on the heater, everything will be perfect for spraying this thing. So anyway, yeah, that being said, we're gonna go ahead and get to work, get our tarps hung up, get ready to spray some paint.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
Alrighty guys, so it's been a few days since we got out here and sprayed paint, but this sucker looks absolutely amazing. It came out pretty slick. It's not absolutely perfect. There are a couple little imperfections in this thing, but considering what this thing came from to what it is now, absolutely stoked to see it in the state that it's in. But this thing's pretty much ready to go back on the frame. So we have a few things we have to do before we can get that done. So we're actually going to go ahead, since it's so much easier to access everything, we're going to go ahead and measure for our drive shaft, get the frame cleaned up, and all that good stuff so that this thing's ready to go back on the frame and be at home for the very last time and stay there. So got a little bit of work to do, a few parts to go pick up, but absolutely huge progress. And yeah, big things coming today. Gonna be absolutely amazing. So let's keep going.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal.
Okay, so we've tried everything we can to get the two-piece drive shaft apart. We went ahead and got this thing measured prior to putting the cab on the frame. So I was gonna go ahead and take this apart so we could get it dropped off and all that good stuff to be shortened. So we're not able to get this thing apart. You guys saw we actually tried to pull it apart with a truck and a pine tree. That didn't work. So I'm not asking anymore. I'm ready for it to come apart. So this was supposed to be quick, easy, and done, but it has not worked out that way. So we're gonna force it to come apart. Maybe.
I'm so gone, no I'm never turning back. I won't stop, I'ma fight until there's nothing left. It's so on, you're gonna be hurting bad. Cause I've been to hell and back. You don't wanna make me mad, I stay strong. You will never see me crack. And if you get in my way, you're gonna feel the wrath. Gotta say it to my face while he's looking back. Mirror breaks after math, when I hate I attack.
Alright, don't go too far because we'll be banged up the...
You said hit it as hard as you can.
Sure, yeah. Alright, y'all can set it down, take a break. It's on the frame.
It sounds like it's more on your frame than on our frame.
Okay.
That was actually a lot lighter than I thought.
It was not as heavy as I...
It's all the rust you blasted out of this thing.
I sure hope I pressed record on the camera.
Alright, take it back.
Did you?
I don't know. Should check. Okay.
He said take it back.
Bring it back. Yeah. Pick it up, put it back in the shop.
That's gonna be
Alright,
good,
so it's going to have to go your way a little bit
My way.
and forward about that far. How far? Pick it up, just ease it. Right there.
That sounds scrapey.
Bugs on the bottom. Wow. It's way uglier than I thought. No, I'm joking.
You're right. We probably need to bring it up some,
Yeah.
but that's fine.
Is build done?
It'll just have to twist.
Build is done, right?
Yeah, we're done.
Done-ish. Alright guys, so we've reached the end of another episode of Coop's House, and this was an absolutely epic, huge one. So this is an absolutely huge milestone for us. We finally got the cab painted, and it's actually the black color that we've been waiting for so long to see this truck in. So got it painted, got it back on the frame permanently. So this is we've taken it off and put it back on for the very, very last time. So super, super exciting. And we're absolutely sick of doing body work. So in the next video, we're gonna change pace. We're actually gonna start getting this thing ready to fire up for the very first time. So again, great episode, great couple of weeks, super stoked. So we appreciate you guys tuning in and hanging out with us. Make sure that if you guys enjoyed this video, hit that like button, talk to us in the comments, and go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Turn on those notifications so you know when we post, and we hope to catch you on the next one. Super epic stuff coming. Anyway, yeah, see you guys next time. Deuces.